Hey guys, you here? It's very early on Saturday morning. My wife's sleeping, so nobody to record me, and I decided to do solo training video on how to use a hammer, a small common household hammer for striking. And I'll be honest, it's something that I do a lot when I'm training on traveling or when I'm training alone at home. There's not always having a partner, so it's good to know how to do solo drills. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. This is a common household hammer. So this one has two ends. This one either can be used for striking. So the basic fighting pattern is again right leg. So the basic attacking pattern is right leg forward like this. So the basic attacking pattern is right leg forward, left hand back, heel raised a little bit, knees bent, stance balanced. The hand with the hammer is a little bit outside, not too low, not too high. It's dynamic. So whenever we train, we don't train statically, we move, right? So the stance, the head towards somebody, and here are the basic strikes. So the X strike, so we are cutting, or we are hammering, right? We wanna be very careful not to strike ourselves with the rear of the hammer. Horizontal strikes, you can either hammer or we can cut like a flow. So we can do it like this. Or we can hop, 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 and of course we can change the grip to thumb, and we can stab with it, turn it from the side. So cuts, cuts, horizontal cut, and stab. Or chop, 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 and stab. Blocks with the hammer, again, we're targeting the hand of the attacker if you can. So either boxing type of attack or knife type attack. So attack coming from outside to our neck, step out with the right leg, smash, going to capture, hit the ribs, and smash the face. Again, so out, smash, capture, ribs, face, or something coming to the out. So we smash out, step to the other direction, capture, block, trap, with the left hand, face, and start smashing. Again, so hop, loop, step forward with the left hand, and start smashing the face. Something coming from bottom, we can block two-handed, we can smash outside, block, and attack, or is more center line, we can pull it out, trap if you can, and smash the face. So that's basically the basic striking and basic defensive actions we can do with the hammer. Of course, the hammer has a hook, and we can practice defensive action as pulls coming from the outside, or pulls and hooking, right? pulls and hooks and strikes. So hope you enjoyed, hope you find it useful. Please like and subscribe.